Welcome to the channel, Silky's Closet. In today's video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Fitbit Versa, the Lite edition, and I'm going to do a review and how to use of the watch as well. Before I start all this, I just want to say a big thank you to everyone because I did a Fitbit video before on the Fitbit Inspire and it got a lot of great support. So thank you all for that. And if you haven't watched it, I'm going to link to the top. Just go and check it out. I did a quick unboxing and a review on how to use. But I decided to upgrade to the Versa. I like the Fitbit Inspire so much. It was so easy to use and it was so beneficial for me, especially during lockdown when all the gyms are closed and we're still trying to keep on top of our fitness. So I bought the Versa. So I'm going to do a very quick unboxing. A few details on the box. It says it's swim-proof. It has a 24/7 heart rate tracker. It's a sleep tracker. It gives you your smartphone notifications and it has a 4+ day battery life. It comes with small and large bands and you can change them to all different kinds of bands. You can buy all different ones. And this is the charcoal color. So this is just a little information pamphlet. The longer strap. And this is the charger, which has a much longer wire than the Inspire, which is good because the other wire was terrible. Warranty and safety instructions. And the watch, the Fitbit watch. Okay, I'm going to talk about why I upgraded from the Fitbit Inspire to the Versa Lite. This is the cheaper version of the Versa 2. It doesn't do as many things as the Versa 2. I initially got the Fitbit Inspire because after giving birth, I wanted to get back into my fitness and I saw the watch and thought it would be useful in tracking my fitness. And when I did buy it, I found it to be one of the most useful purchases of that year. And I liked it so much, I upgraded. So obviously with the COVID and the lockdown, the gyms being closed, having lockdown 1, 2, tier 4, all these things happening, we're all over the place. We don't really know what's happening and what's going to come next. But with this, you can still keep track of your fitness. You can still be on top of it if you're into all that. And even if you're not, just being healthy is going to be good for you, especially in these times when it's more necessary than anything. It's never not going to be useful to have a Fitbit or a fitness tracker or an Apple Watch or a Samsung one or Huawei or whichever brand that you like. It's always beneficial and useful for you if you like it. You just have to decide on which one that you like. In the lockdown, we purchased the Switch. I did a video on that. Check the card at the top if you want to have a look how it was useful for us in the lockdown and what you can do with the Switch. You can purchase games on there that can help you with your fitness. You can purchase equipment, put on the watch and do the fitness right there in your sitting room. And it's going to be beneficial for you. So when I first switched, I was actually missing my Fitbit Inspire. It's so small and light. I didn't even feel it on my wrist. When I put this one on, it felt like it was quite chunky. I had to get used to it, but after a while, I've kind of used to it. A little bit not so. I take it off a lot more than the other one. And I don't wear it to bed. I was wearing the other one to bed because I didn't really notice it. Then I started becoming obsessive with tracking my sleep instead of just getting good quality sleep and seeing when I was having deep sleep and not so deep sleep, and it was just too much. So I just took off the watch for sleeping. But if you want to use it when you're sleeping, go right ahead. So the pros of the Fitbit Versa Lite are that it looks very aesthetic. It looks like an Apple Watch. I like the look of it. You can change the bands, obviously. This is the grey colour one. It comes in a bunch of different colours. And it looks nice on your wrist. It looks quite slick. The screen is a lot bigger and it shows a lot more stuff on the watch. You can check your heart rate, you can do different exercises. You just have to go through the watch, see what you like to set. I've been using it for very, very basic things at the moment. I've been kind of looking at my heart rate and watching my steps, but there's a lot more features on the watch. All these different features, you can set your own, you can use the app to set whatever you want to set. It swipes up, left, right, down. It's all pretty easy to use. It's still all a bit basic. You can use it for a bunch of activities that you want to set. You can go into the exercises. You can set alarms and do the meditation stuff. I haven't been doing it that much. You can get prompts on it, you can get messages, you can use Spotify music, you can set targets. Obviously, they're saying to walk 10,000 steps a day. You can set it to less and get buzzes and badges and receive rewards for doing that and hitting targets, and keep an eye on it. One of the really cool pros about this watch is that it helps you find your phone. I know Apple does this, but you have to sign in and stuff. So press find the phone, and it gives a really, really loud buzz. I'm always misplacing the phone in the house, so this is really, really useful. Also, the charger is much, much better than the Fitbit Inspire. The Fitbit Inspire charger was horrendous. It was tiny, it kept falling out of the watch because it's magnetic. This is much longer. You clip it into this, and you plug it into the laptop or wherever you're going to charge it, and the wire is much longer. So the charger is much better for this one, and it feels like it charges it quicker because the other one just keeps falling out. I haven't reattached it and look at it all the time, so a much better charger for this one. The cons of the watch are that it's still pretty basic tech. When I touch it, it's not always that responsive. I'm having to wait, it's a bit slow. I touch it a bunch of times, it's meant to be touch sensitive, and it doesn't work that great. And to swipe as well. It's not really worth the full price that it's asking for on Fitbit. I found it on a much better deal elsewhere. And I don't know how accurate the heart monitor is. It's saying it's pretty high, and I'm not sure how accurate, again, some of the stuff is. Like last time, it was telling me I went swimming when I didn't. Okay, with the Fitbit app, again, it's very, very easy to use. You can just scroll through it, configure it how you want, what you want to keep a track of. Your steps, your calories, it does mindfulness, your heart rate, if you're going to wear it to bed, your exercises that you set. One of the cool features is that you can change the clock face to different ones. You can buy ones, they'll give you free ones. Here's a bunch of different clock faces. Whatever aesthetic one you want to have. If you want to have heavy on the stats and stuff on your tracked exercises. I haven't been using the app that much. I've just been looking at the watch. So I've been using the watch a lot more than the app, but they work together well. You get notifications from Fitbit. They send you emails about your weekly stats, how many steps you walked in a week, or the most amount of steps you walked in a day. They're always notifying you. They're always upselling you. So it's pretty interactive. I still recommend purchasing the watch. I don't think that you can go wrong with a fitness tracker, especially in these times of COVID and lockdown where everything is very uncertain, places are closed. You can just keep on top of your own fitness yourself, either in your house when you go up to the park, and you can track it with one of these things. Obviously with Peloton doing so well now, and these fitness trackers selling a lot more, and all the things to help your fitness at home. So it's still very beneficial. You just have to see which one is good for you. I recommend this one. I like it compared to the Fitbit Inspire. There's newer ones by Fitbit as well. They've upgraded and released a whole bunch of different ones, so you have to just check which one you like for you. Thanks for watching Silky's Closet. All item details will be in the description. Any comments, leave it below. Give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel.